Thought today we would just have a play with some abstract shapes, not really a plan, just sort of, and not really even a landscape, just almost like abstract uh, play with composition and texture and um, color. So let's start off with some of these marks through here with our resist. I'm not quite sure. I mean, obviously it's going to be a little bit more landscape oriented because that's kind of what I do. But just kind of trying something a little different. Because, you got to do things different every now and then. Okay, I'm going to start off with a little bit of Payne's Gray through here. Cerulean. Pick up our resist marks. So yesterday I really liked that umber and cerulean together. That's probably a little thick, but I kind of like it. Let's put another one through here just a little bit. I know it's looking landscapey. I can't help myself. Sanguine through here. And we might use some Aquapasto at some point. I didn't know what I wanted to make today, so I'm just kind of playing. And sometimes that's fun. Just a little quick play. This might be a pretty short video, actually. We'll see. Through here. It's just so pretty with that blue. Really bring it in there. Let's see. I'll bring it down this way, too. A little bit of the sap green through here. I saw it on my palette and I was like, do I want to use that? I think I do. I think I just want some bits of it. Okay. Okay, let's come in with the Aquapasto in the Ember. I might want to come in a bit with the Color Shaper. So now I'm thinking, what happens if we do like something like that? It's just something completely different. Let's come in with the Cerulean with the Catalyst Wedge. That is really not going anywhere, is it? I'm okay if it picks up a little bit of that color, but... Okay, let's try with the brush. For some reason, that was not being very smooth there for me. I'm going to put a little water on here because I think it's a little... Maybe it needs to be a little wetter. Oh, there we go. Now we're moving. That's what I wanted, was more... Just need to be more liquid. Oh, that's fun. What's going on there? Bring some of this through here. I'm really liking that. Let's bring more of that through here. I sort of like this. Let's add more water. A little mist of water seems to help it move. Yeah. Make sure there's no black on it. So I kind of like how this is working in here. And I know, very landscapey. I can't help myself. I just can't stop with landscapes. Let's put a little bit of like a gray green through here. The sap green and the cherry pit black. Okay, this is a little bit of the cerulean mixed with a little bit of the umber color. Oh, I like that shape. I like this brush. This is a dagger brush that I'm using here. It makes some pretty cool marks. Easy to go from fat to lean with it. This is just a rubber silicone tool that's fun to use. Let's put some more of that. I like that mark there. Ooh, that's fun. Look at that. That's fun. I added some more umber to that, and I think I want to bring it just through here. You can see I have a lot of color on here right now. But I made it a little darker, which I think is nice. Let's come in with this flat edge. What can we do with that? What if it was just more... If we made marks like that, what do we think about that? Well, I kind of like that. We've got a lot of blue in there. I might want to bring the blue down a little bit through here. So let's do like... Let's just do something like that. Maybe come back in with this tool so we can see some of that umber color through there. And some of that white. Okay, let's come in with a little bit more of the umber color through here. I did spray down a little bit of water. Come in with my color shaper a little bit. See what we can do with this. Maybe make it... I got too much water on there. Let me dab some of that up. I think it's okay, but... Okay, I don't like that distinct line right through there. Let's pull some of that down. Come in with a bit of the Aquapasto and some black. Let's make it darker. Let's get the color shaper out. I'm gonna sort of... Okay, that's not really doing what I wanted to do. Maybe it needs some blue. Let's put some blue in there. I've got some leftover blue from up here. What if we just added a little bit of that? It's probably going to make it a little green. A little gray, a little green. Kind of being a little loose with it today. Really just all about exploring marks right now. And seeing what we can make without thinking about it. Let's come in with this and see if we can make some shapes through here to create some interest. I did mix up some of that liquid chalk with the brown, with the, well, the umber in the cherry pit. Because I kind of wanted that mark through there. Let's put another, just a bit through here. I mean, it's still dark. It's just not as dark. It's maybe, it's darker than this. I think we need a little bit more through here. I like making these marks with this particular end. And then I think we might need some, I think I'm gonna put some Payne's Gray down here. Okay, this is a very neutral gray. Payne's Gray, it's got a little bit of black in it. But I kind of just want to make, and I did put some Aquapasto in there as well too. Forgot that part. I just want to make like this sort of shape coming through here. Oh, that's fun. I like that. That added something. And then let's bring that down through here for a nice, I kind of like that. Let's overlap it just a little bit. I'm going to come in with a little bit of sanguine and Aquapasto and put a mark right through there. Oh, I messed that up. Oh, that's fine. And I think I want one more bit of this orange color. And I think it's going to be over here. Just to add some difference to it. This line down here, I think I'm good with. I think I'm just gonna tidy it up a bit. Does it need more? Okay, so I want to put a line through here with black. I'm just gonna make a line that goes like through here. I keep breaking this pencil. It's a very fickle pencil. Oops. Okay. Let's add another line. We've kind of got that line right there. So I'm thinking I'm going to add one going right through here. Okay, I've switched up pencils to the ink black. I wanted something a little bit more black. Let me get more water on that. This is really black and it's an ink tint, so it's going to dry permanent, but we're not going to be going over much of this. I didn't think the watercolor pencil was enough. And then, so I'm kind of just trying to create shapes where there aren't shapes and create space and define it just a little bit within the space. I think that works. I'm going to make this one a little darker. Okay. And I think the last line I'm going to make is going to be just right through here. And I think that's all I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to put any lines in it. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to it. Let's look at it with the mat. Okay, so I think this one's done. I think I achieved what I wanted to achieve, which was to make something that was abstract, colorful, layered, with the Aquapasta, and not a whole lot else, like breaking it down into even more simple terms. I like the flow of it. I think it's good. I really like this part down here with these sort of boulder marks of the Aquapasto. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I think these are fun marks through here. Been thinking about getting some of the glacier set from Schmincke, which is all blues and greens. So that might be something that we could play with too. But I really was inspired by yesterday's color combo of this color and this color together. I thought that was really pretty. So that's kind of where this came from. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back in a couple days with another video. And let me know your thoughts. Is this something that you like? Something you don't like? Yay, nay? Happy to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much. Bye.